Okay, good morning students. This is your third problem for single entry system. Fine, please go through the analysis before going and seeing this video because this is just a solution what we have to do it. Okay, analysis you will understand why we have to open these accounts and which all accounts we have to open. Fine. So this problem will fetch you like this way with regards to your 15 marks problem, and this problem is of Mohan, okay, which is a textbook problem that is from MB Kadkol. Fine, this is one of the important problem what I am solving because we are opening over here bills receivable account also and bills payable account also. Clear? And usually your trading account and profit and loss account. Why am I opening it? Because the information is given in this problem. I have already said it. If the information of bills receivable and bills payable account is given like this way, so we have to open the accounts of these, okay, accounts, I mean to say, sorry. Okay, now the first transaction, statement of affairs is already given in the problem, so we need not open it. From statement of affairs, what we derive? We usually derive opening capital. So opening capital is 60,000. Where does this capital will go? It will go into the balance sheet. So it will go into what now? Balance sheet, calling it as what now? Opening capital. That will come into the inner column, that is what? 60,000. Clear with this? The next one is creditors. Creditors, this is opening balance. Creditors account, this is opening balance. So creditors will always show credit balance. Okay, so creditors, it will be what? By balance brought down, it will be how much? It is 33,000. Clear? And the next is bills payable account. So bills payable account is also opening balance. You have to very nicely write down the problem in front of you and watch this video. By balance, okay, brought down, so that is how much? 7,000. Clear? Now over here building, machinery and furniture all will go to the balance sheet. Clear? So these all have the adjustment with them. So building is with 40,000. I am writing in the inner column because we have an adjustment for that. Clear? Okay, the next one is machinery. We have an adjustment. I am writing in the inner column. So machinery is 12,000, and then comes your furniture. So furniture is also having an adjustment, that is 9,000, inner column. Then comes stock. Very important. The next one is what? Stock. So where does this stock is there? It is opening, I mean to say opening stock. Are you people getting it? So it will come in trading account. It will come in trading account. I will say it as to opening stock. So opening stock, we don't have any adjustment, so write in the outer column. So write in the outer column. Clear with this? The next one is debtors. So debtors will be having a debit balance. So to balance brought down. Please write down the problem and then see this video so that you will understand. To 14,000. The next one is bills receivable account. So to balance brought down, bills receivable, that is 8,000. Clear? The next one is cash in hand. Cash in hand will check at the later part where it will come up, okay, because we need not worry about it. Cash in hand, opening balance. The next comes cash transactions. Okay, now you can just see 2,000 is over here, 2,000 is over. Entry, we have posted it. That is what we are converting it. Okay, if there is no alternate debit or credit, then only we have to do it. That is what single entry system. Okay, the next one is what? To cash sales. Where does this will go? Sales, it will go where? Trading account. Clear? So by sales, underline it. One is cash and one is credit. So cash sales is how much with us? That is 40,000. Clear with this? The next one is debtors. That is this debtors. Debtors is in cash transaction. That is what? Cash book means what? We have received the amount from debtors. So it will come where now? It will come where? It will come into credit side. I call it as by cash in bracket received. So that is how much? 87,000. Clear with this? The next one is bills receivable, that is also similar way, that is what, by cash received. Okay, so that is what over here I have to write it, by cash against bills receivable, that is received. Okay, what is the amount of that? It is 20,000. Clear with this? The next one is we have to go with credit side now, because there are no debit transactions now, only these are the debit transactions. Now credit side we have to do, that is what, by cash purchase, cash. Okay, so we have to go directly to the trading account, write down over here purchase, underline that one is cash and one is credit purchase. Okay, so cash purchase is how much they have given to us, that is 33,000. The next one is what, creditors. This creditors is what, if it is coming on payment side, this is a payment side of cash book, so creditors are being paid. So where does creditors paid will come, Baba? Okay, very nicely. Okay, so creditors paid will come on to debit side, that is what, to cash. I'll write it as what, paid. So creditors paid is what, 69,000. We have seen this in your 5 marks. Okay, so by bills payable paid, so it will come over here to cash bills paid. Okay, so to cash bills paid, that is how much now? It is 16,000. Clear with this? The next one is wages, carriage inward, salaries. Okay, so I'll be posting it at once only. So wages, where it will come, trading account. Carriage inward, it will be a trading account. Salary will come in profit and loss account. So I'll just write it over here to wages. We don't have any adjustment for this. It will come over here directly 4,000 to the outer column. The next one is what, to carriage inward. Okay, so inwards we have to just check it. Inward, that is how much, carriage inward, 1,000. Okay, actually we were having an adjustment over here, I'll just do it later on. Next one is what, salaries. So salaries, where it will come, in profit and loss account. Clear with this? It will come in profit and loss account. This is all trading account and this is profit and loss account. So to salaries, I don't have much space over here, so I'm just doing, okay, writing like this way, to salaries, that is what, 8,000. The next one is stationery, that will come in profit and loss account. Sundry expenses, profit and loss account. Drawings will go to balance sheet and closing balance will go to balance sheet. Okay, so stationery, so to stationery, that is how much, 1,800. Next one is to sundry expenses, how much will be that, 3,200. Okay, clear with this? The next one is drawings. Drawings we will see later on. Closing balance, this closing balance will go where, to the balance sheet. Okay, so closing balance will go to the balance sheet, calling it as cash. I'll write it as cash. Closing balance is how much, 3,000. So this is what the chart all looks like. Now we have to go with other transactions. Other transactions for the year 2016. Now there is a credit sales. They have given over here. Credit sale, where it will come, debtors account will come and one will come in trading account. Very important. So credit sales will appear over here. I'll write it over here to credit sales. So credit sales are how much, 1,20,000. Clear? And one effect will come over here, credit sales, that is what, 1,20,000. Clear with this? Credit sales. The next one is credit purchases. So credit purchases, where it will come, very important, it will come into total creditors. Write it as credit purchases. So credit purchases is how much, 70,000. And one more effect will be purchases under trading account, 70,000. Okay, so this is what we have to do with. So this will come down to 1,03,000. Clear with this? Please make sure of writing like this way. I will post the textbook solution also, so that you can clearly, it will be visible to you. The next one is what, discount allowed. So discount allowed, where it will come, another effect. There are two effects for this. Discount allowed is, one is for debtors account and one is in profit and loss account. So discount allowed is kind of a expense to us. Okay, so discount allowed, where it will come by discount. Okay, I'll write it as allowed. So it will come down to 2500. And one more effect where discount allowed will come, it will come into your profit and loss account. So it will come to discount allowed. So that is discount allowed is how much? It is discount allowed is 2500. Okay, clear with this? Now the from this we will the next video I'll carry out. Okay, fine, from discount allowed. Thank you.